let's begin. I'm gonna add 150 gram of almond meal, almond flour, ground almond, whatever you name it, into the mixing bowl, along with 100 gram of custard sugar, and I'm gonna just mix them around for a while. I'm using vanilla bean for this recipe. You can also use vanilla extract if you want. I'm just gonna cut it lengthwise and scrap all of the seeds out, and then I'm gonna add it to my egg white later on. This recipe gives you about 10 cookies. Of course, depend to the size. I'm using 50 gram of egg white, as you can see here. I'm just using a small whisk to blend the stuff together, but you can just easily use an electric mixer if you want. I switched to another whisk and I'm still whisking. It took me around 3 minutes, but it's fine. It's foamy and kind of thick. This is what you're looking for. Now I'm adding the egg white mixture to the dry ingredients and just mix them around. Last but not least, I'm gonna add almond extract into the mixture. That's the magic there. It's happening. Here we have our cookie dough. For me, 30 gram is a very good size for a cookie. So I'm gonna shape them to a ball and then coat them with icing sugar. And then you can place them in a baking tray, which is already lined up with the parchment paper, or you can use silicone made, whatever you want. Oops. Okay, Lucy, my cat, you have to wait, honey. They're not ready yet. I have all of the balls ready to go to the preheated oven at 170 Celsius for about 20 minutes. Here they are, my lovely Amaretti cookies are ready. They're crispy in the outside but soft and kind of gooey on the inside. They're just so good. You have to give it a try. Hope you enjoy this video.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I made for you Amaretti cookie, one of my favorite, most flavorful cookie I have ever made. I just love them. Just give it a try at home and let me know if you like it. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.